Bike Adventure Reflection, Susur Jalan, Tepian, Parit.
Route to Pantai Kakap.
Dear, on a sunny Sunday morning, I embarked on a solo bike ride along the ditch trails around the village. Heading towards Kakap River, I prepared myself by putting on my rubber shoes, helmet, and a backpack filled with drinking water, snacks, and bike repair tools. I ventured through various countryside tracks in Pontiac, encountering single tracks of soil, concrete, rocks, asphalt, and small and large bridges. After tackling several challenging paths, I finally arrived at the Fisherman's Pier by Kakap River. The distinct aroma of the pier and the bustling activity stood in stark contrast to the serene and enjoyable journey I had experienced. After taking a moment to observe my surroundings, I continued my quest for tranquility, cycling along peaceful irrigation ditches and refreshing rice fields. It became even more delightful as I explored remarkable new trails, all while reveling in the beauty of nature and relishing the fresh air along the way. I took a brief rest, captured some breathtaking views with my camera, and savored my snacks before heading back to the village. The joy I felt during the return journey allowed me to reflect on this extraordinary experience and made me promise myself to explore more places by bike in the future. Yours sincerely, Combatant in Silence.